customer in the Grand Design Momentum. This one already has the generator installed, but going with the standard Victron 2x120. You can see it's in bulk charge now because it has to charge up 900 amp hours of Epoch lithium batteries. And this customer, obviously you can see the Lynx distributor where we did the light hack so we can still make the lights go for the fuses. 400 amp fuse and smart shunt right there. And then two solar controllers, one to run the panels on the roof and another one for off-board solar. And you can see we got rid of the vent that was on there. And then now they have this portable panel set to help them stay charged when they're dry camping. Very nice.